In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drawings in Coda. Whether you're organizing projects or collaborating with a team, adding visual elements can enhance the clarity and attractiveness of your documents. So let's dive right in and explore how to seamlessly incorporate drawings into your Coda docs. First things first, head over to the Coda website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, the simple URL is coda.io. Once you're there, you'll find a button that says Get Started. Clicking it will guide you through the initial setup steps. If you're a Google user, you have the advantage of simplifying the login process. Simply hit the option that says Google to proceed. This will take you to a Google login page where you'll select your account. It's important to ensure the right account is selected, especially if you manage multiple Google identities. Doing so will link your Coda profile with your Google account, allowing seamless document management and sharing capabilities directly from Coda. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Coda dashboard where your documents are stored. Find and click on the document you intend to work on. If you're creating a new document, now would be the time to set that up. With your document open, the process of adding an image or drawing begins by simply typing in the command shortcut, / then the word image. This prefix will instantly bring up Coda's image widget. It's a nifty shortcut that optimizes your workflow by making essential tools quickly accessible without the need to navigate through a series of menus. Once the image widget appears, click on Image. Now you can upload your desired visual elements. Coda allows for the uploading of various image types, so you're not restricted in terms of format. Whether it's a diagram, a sketch, or a colorful illustration, choose the file that best communicates what you need. After your image is uploaded, you may wish to adjust its size to better fit your document layout. Resizing is simple. Just click on the image and drag the corners to scale it to your desired dimensions. This flexibility ensures that your drawings don't overwhelm the content or fall into the background, but complement the information you're presenting. With these steps, you've not only added a drawing, but enhanced the overall utility and visual appeal of your Coda document. It's a straightforward process that adds a layer of depth and professionalism to your digital workspace. So there you have it, a streamlined approach to integrating drawings in Coda. Apply these steps in your projects and see how easy it is to elevate your documentation game. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating.